Almost there. Oh, look, filet mignon. Yum. Cows moo. Kara, you're excited?
No, I'm not excited.
What? It's okay. We'll still go. That's okay. You won't be able to find us. Oh, there it is.
Are you joking?
No. Seriously, you have to face your fears someday. Ready?
No. Oh my god. How cool is it? It's not cool. I want to go back to the car.
Hurry. Let's see. Let's go. I don't want to do this. Yeah. How cool is this? I wonder why these ropes are here.
Oh my god. No. I don't like that. No.
It's an animal.
No.
Move it! You want to go back there? Let's go back
Christ.
there.
I don't want to.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, like I get it. This is cool and all, but I don't know why.
Yeah, I'll be right there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's cool.
Kind of cool, I guess.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Panicky.
God.
Look at my fan!
It's not funny. Where did you get that?
Oh no, I found it over here. I wonder like how long it's been here for.
Ooh. Don't.
It needs a good home.
No, it's. You don't.
Don't!
Home.
That's
No,
awful.
leave it. It's gross and weird.
You should take it with us. I mean, it's so cute.
I found a baby. Okay, no, I'm going. I'm done.
Nick!
I'm done. Can we go home, please? You left it? Shouldn't have touched it. Should have just left it.
I did, like, leave it. Hey. What's going on? What's up?
I didn't sleep at all. I don't know, I just...
Nikki, it's fine. I only brought you there so that you could see how cool that place was. Like, it's not a big deal.
No,
It's whatever.
cool,
It's...
What was that?
I don't know. Did you not put your clothes in the dryer? Like,
Well, the dryer doesn't sound like that.
You're fine. Let's go see. Let's go see then. Come on. Nikki, there's nothing down there. It's fine.
You heard it too. Please.
It's probably the freaking laundry machine.
The lights will turn on.
Did you not put your clothes in the dryer like 5 seconds ago? Yeah, use a flashlight. There's nothing down here.
Well, could you look?
Yeah, I am looking. Stop freaking out. Hey, it's good. Let's go.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm positive. Go, please.
Are you sure?
Yes, go.
Oh my god, no.
Please stop. You really need to call Mom, okay? It's okay. Just sit down. Just sit. Oh, God. Oh, my God. okay. Like, it's not a big deal, seriously. Like, the cat probably closed the door. Like, chill out. Like, it's not connected. Stop. Please, Nikki. Nikki, let's go. Let's go down together. It's fine. Everything's cool. Just come with me. Go check it, please. Okay, well, come with me. Come on. I'll show you. Everything is fine. Look, it's fine. Wow, the lights turned on. Oh my god. Are you okay now? What do you want to do? Do you want to scan the room or watch a movie? Like, come on, go. I mean, you're the one that wanted to. Oh my god!
Sydney? Sydney?
Maybe she was right. Oh my god. Nikki? Nikki?
Wait, look at that door. Oh, come.
Oh shit.
Look, Nikki, it's fine. I mean, you're the one that wanted to. Oh my god! Holy fuck! Oh my god! I didn't realize.
Like, look at this door. It is. Hurry. Let me see.
Oh, good for you!
Okay, actors in position. And 3, 2.
I give up! We'll be in the car. Are we good?
And to show you, like,
I know.
what the fuck is that?
Can we?
Oh my god, did you hear that?
Did you not just
Okay,
quit?
no, no.
You need to stop. You need to just.
I just don't
You
know.
guys need to leave if you're gonna laugh.
I forgot the screen. I was like, it's too late. It's too late.
I just wanted you to see how cool that place was. Like,
That was awful.
Nikki? Nikki? Okay, I'll be right down. Hang on, there's someone here.
3, 2, 1, action. Okay, come back. Let's do that again.
Nikki, we're good.